During the last trading session of the week, traders saw a significant influence of macroeconomic data. Ahead of the publication of the U.S. employment report, the greenback returned to the levels locked at the beginning of August, amid expectations of weak figures. In our video review on InstaForex TV channel, we will find out what macroeconomic events may influence traders' sentiment early next week. On Monday, September 6, there will be no important macroeconomic reports. What's more, the US will celebrate Labor Day. That's why on Monday, traders are likely to price in the US employment report for August. On Tuesday, an active trading week will start. China will be the first to report on its economic condition. It will disclose the trade balance data. Figures for July exceeded forecast because of higher prices of commodities, even amid the ongoing global crisis. It's highly possible that in August, the real figures will also beat the expected ones. Traders are likely to be focused on the Chinese export and import reports. The fact is that data on export reflects foreign demand and may influence traders' appetite for risky assets. At the same time, import figures may shape the price of the Australian dollar. Both indicators are expected to show a slower rise. This, in turn, may impact trader sentiment. Market participants should take into account that the decision of the Reserve Bank of Australia may also influence the Australian dollar. The regulator is likely to remain the key interest rate at the level of 1.10%. At the same time, the asset purchasing program could be reduced to $4 billion from $5 billion a week, as it was said at the previous meeting. Importantly, any comment about the worsening epidemiological situation will lead to a drop in the AUD-USD pair. During the European session, the US dollar may continue climbing against the euro amid disappointing economic sentiment data disclosed by the ZEF Institute. In September, the indicator is expected to decline for the fourth month in a row after reaching the highest level last seen 20 years ago. Economic sentiment is falling amid the worsening epidemiological situation in the world. The report will hardly make the ECB raise the key interest rate, and that's why traders may begin selling off the euro. On Wednesday, the Bank of Canada will announce its decision on the benchmark rate. It will be the only event that traders will pay attention to. Analysts do not expect any radical measures from the regulator. It's likely to keep the key interest rate unchanged at 0.25%. In the previous meeting, the QE program was reduced to $2 billion from $3 billion a week. Such a stance points to the fact that the central bank is sure that the country's economy will continue its confident rise. All this has a positive influence on the Canadian dollar. You're watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel. With me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals and have a nice weekend.